Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice easily at home. We will start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. The key to great fried rice is having everything prepped and ready before you even turn on the stove. This method ensures a quick and flavorful meal in about 15 minutes. The secret to perfect fried rice lies in using cold, day-old rice. Freshly cooked rice contains too much moisture, leading to a mushy texture. Fluffing the cold rice helps each grain cook individually. Also, have your proteins like 2 scrambled eggs or some pre-cooked chicken ready to add. This step is crucial for achieving that authentic restaurant-quality result. Now for the exciting part, the sizzle. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat. Add your vegetables first, cooking them quickly for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, push them aside, add your eggs, and scramble them right in the pan. This high-heat cooking method is essential for that signature fried rice flavor. Finally, it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Add your cold rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps, and stir-fry for about 2 minutes. Then, pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, mixing everything thoroughly. Garnish with fresh green onions, and your delicious, easy homemade fried rice is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.